So 6.4, the homework section, question number 3, we're going to make a parent function fx equals 3 to the power x. I'm going to make a quick table. Quick table means I'm going to use only 3 values for x, and those values are -1, 0, and 1. So 3 to the power -1, which means 1 over 3. So 1 over 3, that is 0.3. Okay. 3 to the power 0 means 1. So 0, 1. And 3 to the power 1 means 3. So I'm going to just use these 3 points. So these 3 points I'm going to use are -1, 0.3, 0, 1, and 1, 3. -1, 0.3. So -1, 0.3 is this point, 0, 1, and 1, 3. That's my parent function. So this is my parent function. So once I have my parent function, from this function I'm going to graph my function that is a translated function. So where am I translating? 4 units left and 2 units down. So I plotted 3 points which I'm going to move 4 units to the left side and 2 units down. So the 3 points that we're going to move, so this is the 3 points we have, moving these 4 units left and 2 units down. So this point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 units down. So this point is moved right here, and the next point is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 down, 2 down. And this point, the last point I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2 down, and this is the point right here that I'm moving to. And my asymptote line is moved also 2 units down, and my graph is going to look like this one, the new graph, which is moved 4 units left and 2 units down. For number 4, the parent function is the same, but we are going to move all the points 4 units left, 1 unit up, 4 unit left, 1 unit up. You got the new graph, which is moved 4 left and 1 up. The transformation for number 5, 4 right, 2 down, 4 left, 1 up. For number 7, the transformation is 4 unit up. So I graphed this fx equals 2 to the power x from the example number 1, and I follow the same points from example 1. So this is my parent graph. After that, I'm going to move this graph, this exact graph, 4 unit up. So this line, this is a asymptote line, moved 1, 2, 3, 4 unit up. And these points, all of them are moved 4 units up. And we got a new graph. This is a red graph. That is a transformation of the original graph by 4 unit up. For number 8, I made a small table using -1, 0, and 1 for x value, and I plug it in for here. 4 to the power -1 is 1 over 4, that is 0.25. 4 to the power 0 is 1, and 4 to the power 1 is 4. I plotted these 3 points, -1, 2.25, 0, 1, and 1, 4. And after that, I moved this graph 8 units down, including the asymptote line, 8 units down. For number 11, the transformation of this function is 7 unit left. In the parent function fx equals 2 to the power x, I copy down it from the example 1, and that is going to be this graph, 2 to the power x. I'm going to move this 7 unit left, means all the points are going to move 7 unit to the left side. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. So this is right here. And next point is this one right here. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's going to be right here. Next is this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this point right here, and then you're going to make a graph that is the parent graph that is moved 7 unit to left. So this is going to be moving 7, 7 this way.